What is going on, Ben Nation? I know you feel like you're going through it right now, trials, tribulations, whatnot, and some of it forced errors, some of it just a product of what is going on in these spaces right now. And it's a difficult time in cryptocurrency, but I want to reassure you that this is going to end fine. Now, if you like Ben, make sure you leave a comment down below. If you like the project, make sure that you're leaving some kind of comment. If you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button and the bell to be notified of future content. We are still Ben Nation. We are still here for Ben Armstrong and this project. Now, you did hear yesterday in chat that Austin, once V2 is launched, will be leaving. His replacement has not been named yet, but you will see a replacement named very shortly. He is going to deal with some family stuff right now. It was also asked, would he be coming back? And, that's a difficult thing to answer at that point because, that depends on family. That's family. So difficult times for everybody. And listen, unforced errors. But I want to point out something to you that, you probably don't like it. And that's okay. But you do have to at least be honest and realize what I've been telling you this entire time. And that is that this parallel channel that I told you guys about a long time ago. We're now in, this is an hour chart, by the way. This is going back a month. We've been talking about this for a month, right? Now we're at the bottom part of that channel, but we've been at the bottom part of this channel before. We've been lower than we are now. So, while we may be able to say, well, there's some unforced errors here. Well, that is true. But also, we tend to come back up through this channel. Now, that would mean most likely there is a pump through here. If you're doing any kind of trading, obviously you're at the point of control right now, so I would not look to make a move on the point of control. We did come down to that value area low, didn't quite make it, but got bought up pretty quickly, put us back into that point of control. Now, we're probably going to get a move towards this upside. The thing that you guys have to remember, and I think the most important thing for you to realize is, listen, this project is a Ben Armstrong project, and whatever he's going through now, it doesn't last forever. Whatever is happening out here in the public eye doesn't last forever because it is still, at the end of the day, Ben Armstrong, and that was BitBoy Crypto. And going forward, no matter what the name is for whatever he is doing, you guys have been watching every single day. I hope that you've seen the number of people who are tuning in, the number of people who are tuning out of other channels. I hope you guys are understanding. And if you haven't already, by the way, make sure that you schedule today. AJ will be going live for Ben on the stream because we are staying in direct competition with the enemy. They are not our friends at this point. So we are going to continue what we are doing. And you guys, I wish I could tell you that the numbers are just going to go absolutely bonkers. We're going to get the standard pump on a V2 that we would normally get on a V2. There's no tax here. So remember, there's no underlying circumstance in which something changes fundamentally about the project or anything like that. I have seen, and you have to take it on speculation here, but I have seen what the future holds for Ben Coin, and it is phenomenal. I'm absolutely jealous. As you guys know, I have my own project, but I am so jealous of what is going on right here in terms of what the future holds for their DApp, for the wallet, for everything that's going on in here. Absolutely crazy, absolutely stunning. Austin outdid himself. If I had to make a guess, I would say Austin probably would, but the position would have to be available again, after whatever happens. So guys, that's it. I think that's important to recognize that sometimes you got to take a deep breath. I know price is down. I assure you, I know price is down. I look at it every single day. I'm annoyed by it every single day. That doesn't mean that my faith has been shattered, because I'm not 9. I don't need to be constantly reminded on a chart of everything awesome happening all at once. Crypto has never, will never, and nothing ever works that way. It's not straight up. That's it. It's never straight up. But it will have its run. It will have its day. All you have to do is be faithful to the project and give it a little bit of time. You can trade on the chart if you need to. Do whatever you got to do to make yourself feel good, make your money. And look, if it's not for you, that's okay, because it will be for a lot of other people. And when the price goes up, you'll feel bad, but it's okay, because I assure you, if you feel bad about this one and you're getting cheated out because of this, it's okay, because it's happened to you before, or it's going to happen to you a bunch of other times because you just can't take the feeling. Remember, there's a lot of projects this kind of stuff happens to all of the time. Is it the same specific issues? No, but it is issues. There's always something going on with a project somewhere. And look, guys, what I will say is this. I have faith in the project. If you have faith in me, then I have faith in the project. I don't really question what is going on. I think that the future is bright, and I'm going to continue to hodl. I'm going to continue to hold. Now, I might every once in a while, I might sell when I think there's a top. Like, for example, I might, because I'm looking at this chart this way, I might look at this at 2000. And in the event that we get a nice little wick up into 2000, I might sell and come back down here and buy back in, because I would accumulate a bigger bag. So there's no tax. So there's no, the only risk is the price goes up and you don't get to catch it. So, there's a possibility. And guys, you've seen people selling on the chart and buying back in constantly, because that is what you do. There's a lot of volume here. So, you might see that from me every once in a while, but I am in this for the long haul. I do think that the future is bright. You can let me know what you think in the comments down below. You can like Ben, you can not like Ben. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's still Ben Armstrong. It's still the man we called BitBoy, and he will have an enormous run all over again. I am 100% sure of that. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.